start of an experiment where we're gonna get this little baby tomato, this mater, to grow. I have it in the center of a tree stump. I added the Ighina Spiral. We'll see where it goes. I'm starting this little tomato sprout, this little baby tomato plant, in this living soil pot that I had in the fall, and then let it go dormant. And during the spring season there was not a living root. I have the remnants of the old tomato plant from last year, and usually what I have is clove, hairy vetch, some kind of living root in this pot. That would be throughout the winter. That would be when it's 20 below. And not saying that it gets 20 below, but I want to say it gets near that, maybe 15 below, in this fabric pot. The last touch that we'll add is a Ighina Spiral. It's about to rain today, so we'll see how far this project goes. And as far as project, I know this is just a plant. We're second day into summer, and this is a late start, so we'll see how much we get out of this one tomato plant. In comparison, we have the cutting, which is the German striped tomato, and this is from last year. It's healthy, second day of summer. And then this little guy started. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of this one in the living soil pot, or should I say dormant fabric pot. In addition to the little tomato plant, I did add some pinto beans, and that'll be for some nitrogen to help that grow, help the tomato grow, and help the soil food web. And then I have it next to this little guy that's in the tree root or tree trunk that is no longer with us. And here's that rain that I was talking about earlier. We'll check things a little later and see if we got any more fungi or fruiting bodies. I know all the plants are loving this rain. Well, looks like we got more than rain. Here comes the sirens. Not sure what they're for, maybe a tornado warning. We'll see.